Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that what I'm sharing here is based on my personal experience using this resource. I'm taking a look at MyPaydayLoan.com. It's a website that connects borrowers with potential payday lenders. Navigating the site is pretty straightforward. You start by filling out a loan request form where you provide information about how much you need to borrow, your employment status, and some basic personal details. Then, MyPaydayLoan shares this information with its network of lenders. If a lender is interested in offering you a loan, they'll contact you directly to finalize the details and complete the lending process. The actual terms and conditions of your loan, including interest rates and repayment schedule, will be determined by the individual lender, not MyPaydayLoan.com itself. It's crucial to remember that payday loans often come with very high interest rates, so it's essential to carefully consider all your options and understand the potential risks before committing to a loan. Make sure to compare rates and terms from multiple lenders and borrow responsibly. The website itself doesn't issue the loans, it just facilitates the connection between borrowers and lenders. Think of it like a marketplace for payday loans. MyPaydayLoan.com emphasizes that they work with a large network of lenders, which can potentially increase your chances of finding a loan offer. However, it's important to note that having multiple lenders review your application could potentially affect your credit score. Be sure to check the site's privacy policy to understand how your information is used and shared. Before applying for any payday loan, thoroughly research the lender and read reviews from other borrowers. Understand the implications of taking on a high-interest loan and make sure it aligns with your financial situation. Using a service like MyPaydayLoan.com can streamline the process of finding potential lenders, but it's vital to remain informed and borrow responsibly. Remember, taking out a payday loan is a serious financial decision, so weigh all the pros and cons carefully.